you harmonize your energy with somebody else, and you develop yourself through the wazas, the techniques from a martial art. So personal development through a martial art. Main importance is that you develop yourself, your personal self through this, and you strengthen yourself. So instead of destroying somebody else, you learn to cope with circumstances. Let's say in this case, you also learn to cope with circumstances like COVID period, and because you strengthen yourself and you learn to harmonize with this energy, you create a better society. And I think this one is one of the most important features of Aikido, not destroying something but creating. Like I like to do a martial art, so I learn to defend myself, but not to destroy somebody else, but to harmonize this violence. And this also learns to how would you say this? Within the society, you also create something instead of destroying it. You learn to cope with circumstances, and that makes yourself a stronger person.